A juice box shaped like a rectangular prism has a length of 5.25 centimeters and a height that is 2 centimeters longer than 3 times its width. Write an equation that represents the volume of the juice box. Recall that the formula for volume of a rectangular prism is V equals L times W times H, where L represents the length, W represents the width, and H represents the height. So again, as I move over here to my paper, the volume is length times width times height. And what we know from the problem is that the length is 5.25 centimeters. And the second piece of information that we have in this is that the height is 2 centimeters longer than, notice that I wrote a plus for longer than, 3 times the width. And then we don't have any information about the width, so we're just going to say W is the width. And then we're going to go back and we're going to fill in that information. So the length is 5.25. There's the width, and then our height is 2 centimeters longer than 3 times the width. So to find our answer here, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to distribute. And when we multiply, you can use Desmo, so I'm using my calculator. 5.25 times 2, I can't believe that I just typed that in, but that gives us 10.5 W. And then 5.25 times 3 is 15.75. But remember, it's W times W, which is W squared. And then when we go back and look at Edmentum, do we have that answer? Notice they wrote the 15.75 squared first, and then plus the 10.5 W. So there's our choices.